Hey everybody, we are here today at Minnesota Valley State Recreation Area, and then we'll also be going through some Minnesota Valley National Wildlife Refuge. It's also called Louisville Swamp. So, as you can see behind me, it's the beginning of the swamp. Trail we're going to do today is about 5 miles. It is about 5:30 in the evening, and it is warm, probably like 85 degrees. So yeah, let's get to it. I've been here once before, but it was in the early spring. There's no leaves, no grass, no nothing. So it's gonna be a different look this time. Let's get going. Here we have reached Sand Creek. We walked a whopping like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes probably. Sand Creek. And we will be crossing this 2 more times, I think. Awesome.
Alright, a nice little overlook here. That is called the Johnson Slough.
Alright, I found a bench here. Just after that overlook. I don't know why they didn't put a bench over there. Well, I can see the lake a little bit. So I'm going to stop here. Gone like 3.5 miles, so over halfway. I'm going to stop and eat my applesauce and have a Coke. I'm not sure, but it sounds like those might be whooping cranes. I've seen a whole bunch of cranes today, so could be. Look at this oak tree. I think it's a black oak. It's huge. Anyway, it's getting a little darker faster than I anticipated, so I had to cut off a little loop that I was going to do. It probably cut off about 3/4 of a mile. And I am hustling back. Notice I didn't bring a flashlight. I do have my phone, but I would rather not. So I'm kind of hustling it back. It's gorgeous out here right now. Just came out to a clearing here. And you kind of see, it's starting to get a little dark, but you can kind of see across this vast swamp / wetland area. Alright, I've made it to Louisville Swamp Boulder. A very large glacial errant that boulderers like to come and practice their climbing skills. Pretty awesome. I would give it a shot, but I really don't have time. I think the storm is approaching. Alright, so I'm just about back to the car and just in time. Check that out. If that's not a thunderstorm head, I don't know what it is. Look at that thing coming right in. It's like Independence Day. The aliens are coming. The aliens are coming. That is incredible. I better get the heck out of here. Alright, I don't know if you can even see my face, but you can probably see this thunderstorm head coming in. So, I am at the car. It was a wonderful hike. Tons of wildlife. It was amazing. Birds and stuff. Oh, it was great. Just went a little later than I thought. I missed a couple of things that I wanted to check out, so I guess I'll leave those for next time. But yeah, it was a great time. There was like a little secret trail that I found on an app. Turned out to be nothing. It was just a trail to nowhere. And I think that's where I ran out of time. So I'll have to come back here again and check out some new stuff. But yeah, until next adventure.